Okay, so you're driving down the road or the highway and suddenly a small rock hits your windshield. Now you have a chip or a hole in your glass. Don't you hate that? Well, it happens all the time here in Arizona, right? Jim Kiefer and Josh Abreu of NuVision Auto Glass, they're here to talk about their company and the rebates that they are offering. First of all, welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you, Terry.
Thank you, Terry.
Yeah, I'm so glad you're here. Okay, Jim, I want to start with you. NuVision, tell us about it.
Well, we started in January of last year, probably one of the fastest growing auto glass shops in the Valley.
Good for you.
We like to attribute our success to the two founding principles when we started the company. One, we do what we say, and secondly, customers matter.
I like that.
Yeah, we try to wow our customers with the best possible customer experience possible.
Yeah, we want to know that we matter, right? Everybody likes that. Now, I want to be clear, you are a mobile service, right?
Right.
So you come to us.
Yes.
All right, excellent. So, Josh, I want to talk about the fact that so many people think, and I don't know if it's true or not, that we call and make a claim to our insurance company, it's just going to raise our rates.
Yeah, it's not, and that is one of the biggest questions that we get is this going to raise my rates? The simple answer is no. Arizona is what's called a no-fault claim state. Example, you're driving down the road, like you were saying, a rock flips up, it hits your windshield, that's not your fault, right?
No.
Well, because we live on a giant pile of rocks, Arizona came up with special laws that say if any damage happens to your safety glass at no fault to you, that the insurance companies cannot raise your rates or charge you a deductible as long as you carry comprehensive coverage with the Arizona glass waiver.
Okay, so we got to make sure, check our policies, make sure we have that.
Correct.
Right.
Well, we help you with that as well.
Oh, good. I like that even better. All right.
The customer experience.
It is the part of the customer experience, which also we talked about rebates at the top of the segment, which is what we hear about all over the place. You guys offer up a rebate?
We are a rebate shop. We'll offer up to $250 cash back. Okay, and the way that works is as you file your claim, we're a mobile shop, so we come to you. As soon as we replace the windshield, we'll hand you a check right on the spot.
Wow, right then and there.
Right then and there.
$250.
Up to $250.
Up to $250. Okay, but you'll handle all the paperwork and stuff too?
We handle everything.
Okay, I like this already. Okay, so you're also giving back, which to Shriners. And Josh, tell us about your son Gage. What happened when he was born?
So when Gage was born, he was born with what's called syndactyly. Long story short, he was born with webbed fingers. And at the time, I couldn't really afford the surgery. I happened to meet a Shriner, and he was explaining exactly, what the Shriners do and what they're about. And next thing you know, my son and I are on a plane to Salt Lake. We're getting the surgery performed with absolutely no money out of my pocket.
Wow.
And to this day, the surgery was a complete success. He could wiggle all of his fingers, and matter of fact, he wants to be a pitcher for the Arizona Diamondbacks when he gets older.
You hear that, Arizona Diamondbacks? You have a little 4-year-old right now waiting to come up in the ranks. So, so how are you giving back to Shriners?
Well, we're allowing our customers the opportunity to donate part of the rebate. It can be $10 all the way up to the entire rebate.
Okay.
And we will in turn match that up to $25.
Wow.
So the money goes directly to charity.
Wow. And we all know how important that is, right? To kids like Josh. There's so many Joshes who need that help. What a great way to give back and offer up a rebate at the same time. And they're going to come to you. Awesome. Thanks, guys. All right, here's a special offer for you. All you have to do is mention Sonoran Living and $25 will be added to your rebate. So a great way to give back right there. Give NuVision Auto Glass a call. 80210-9090. Remember, they do come to you. Their website, NuVisionAutoGlass.com.